Alright, so we just arrived to Michinoeki, close to Hakkoda, Nami-oka Michinoeki, and it's got some pretty nice stuff here, restaurants, shops, so we're going to do a little bit of a tour after, but for now, I'm in my shop, let's go to lunch.
Ringo gyoza.
Our Mori is famous for Hakko. So this year was a Hakko gyoza.
So this is that when I sleep. It'll be so.予約しましたフェリーを青森から北海道21,400円かなで7時10分出発
Tomo just booked a ferry for us from Aomori to Hakodate. So after riding in Hakkoda, we're going to be getting the ferry to Hokkaido for one vehicle and 2 passengers. Comes to Ikura?
21,400円
21,400 yen. So 21,400 yen. Which is not so bad. That's one way, so we do have to pay for that to come back again. But yeah, tomorrow I'm getting the ferry to Hokkaido.
It's too early, man.
It's 7 o'clock in the morning. We're just getting up. Gonna turn the van on. We're gonna leave in 30 minutes. It's about -5. That's pretty much the routine we got to do every morning. Wipe the snow off the car, de-ice the wheel arches. As we've just got inside the van, it's just started dumping again. Look at this.
Fat Freddy's Flakes.
Woo. Yeah, crazy. We've got about an hour's drive to Hakkoda. We're going to be driving in an absolute whiteout blizzard condition, so we'll take it slow and hopefully we'll stop off at a Konbini on the way. Right, coffee stop, Konbini.
Should be good. Classic Konbini, Family Mart.
This is our routine every morning on our trip.
Manga, you got your softcore porn, all your magazines, all your amenities here. You got gas. Got all your gas, shampoo, hand warmers, clothes. Oh, what's over here? Scanner, printer, ATM. Fantastic product.
Yeah, so that was just a quick tour of a wee convenience. That was Family Mart. Yeah, if you guys want a full tour of a convenience store, then let us know in the comments below, and could be an idea for one of the episodes.
I want a full tour of a convenience store.
They're pretty interesting and they're very, very convenient. They got their names right in Japan.
Wow, great content, man. おはよう。どう？
めっちゃ雪降ったね。
50センチ。
50センチ。
フレッシュの。昨日30センチ。
So he's just saying yesterday it snowed 30 centimeters, today it's 50 centimeters overnight. So we're looking good. Look at the ice on the van. おはよう、Hiromaさん。
おはようございます。
今カメラ準備してますね。
ああ、いえ。よいしょ。
So nice and warm inside here.
あったか。
Alright, so we made it to Hakkoda ropeway, and it seems only a couple of areas are open for us to snowboard. But luckily enough, Hakkoda ropeway do like it's a gondola, so you can pay for one way lift ticket up rather than buying a full pass, which makes it a bit cheaper. So we're going to do that and take it as it comes, see what the conditions like up there.
This is the whole. This much of it is the actual map. The rest is just talking about how many people have died on this one.
Hose! It's pretty cold, it's windy. done for the Tohoku region. Been pretty awesome. Shame about the visibility today. We're going to call it on this run and head back to the van. Get the ferry to Hokkaido. It's the next stop. Yeah. Cycled.
Yeah. Awesome.
楽しかった
東北、これで東北さよならして北海道に向かいたいと思います。ということでですね、今日は、撮影中何しましたか？
iPhone を落としました。
はい、なんか撮影中調子乗って iPhone をね、このなんていうの、内側につけて追い撮りしてたよな。で落としましたね。で私たち3人は1時間ぐらいかな探しましたね。どうですか？
大変申し訳ないです。全然テンションが上がらない。
いやでも広間がずっとテンション下がってたらおかしくない？
まあまあそうですね。
みんな頑張ってくれて、
みんなが下がるのが正しい。
はい、みんなにありがとうございました。言ってください。
ありがとうございました。
ありがとうございます。
ありがとうございます。
ザックがね見つけてくれましたよ。
あ
りがと
よかった。
う。いいチームです。
よかったです。
はい、じゃあもう切り替えで頑張ってください。今日はバースデー